It's your first time outside. Oh my goodness. What are we thinking? Hi. Go play. Try it all out.
What is that? Get your toys. Go get your toys. Get your toys, huh?
I apologize in advance for the grass not being perfect or leaves, but this is the first actually decent day outside, and I couldn't pass up letting them go outside and play even though the grass ain't perfect.
Hey, Fox.
Hi guys. Hey Fox. Hi guys.
Hey, stinkers.
Who was just running? Who you running to?
Come here.
How you thinking, Butters? Butter, butter, butter. Oh, here's Camellia. Hi, Kiki. Hi. Hey, cutie pie. Hey, Charlie. You got a leaf. Really? All the toys you get leaves. All the toys. Hey, little girl. Here's Stormy. Oh, hi, Kiki. I already said hi to you, though. Yes, I did.
Okay, get you.
Hey, Fox. Fox says, I'm not sure about all this yet.
Go tell your brother.
I know. Hi. Yep, that's our Charlie the rooster. Hey, pretty girl. There's Tulip. There's Tulip. Go play her, buddy.
Come here, Fox.
I'll do my best to kind of say who's who when they're running, but they run fast. Here's Kiki. Hi. Fox. Hi, sweet baby. There's Tulip. There's little Tulip.
What do you got?
Hey, sweetheart. Who am I looking at? Up there goes little Butters.
Charlie's
Kiki. Charlie's got a leaf. You like the leaves. You little goof. Well, it didn't take you guys long to love it. Hi.
Come here.
Fox, he's a mama's boy. Fox is a mama's boy. Fox a mama's boy. Yes, you are. You're a doll. There's Charlie. Hi, Butters. Butter, Butters. Here's Tulip. Hi, Tulip. Oop, there was Tulip. Stormy went running.
There you go, Fox. Come on. There you go.
Fox finally decided, okay, I'll try this. Hi. Hi, Tulip. Little Tulip. Oh, what you doing, Kiki? What you doing, Kiki? Check it all out. I know, finally a good day. It's not raining. Yeah. Huh? Say it's 65 degrees. Yes, we're excited. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Fox. Babies. Here's Kiki. There's little Tulip. Hi, Charlie. Where'd you go? Is that Kiki or is that Butters? There's Butters. Okay. I couldn't tell for a minute. You guys run quick. Where you going, Stormy?
Come here.
Stormy.
Come here. Hey, stinkers. Hey, Stinky. Hi, honey. Hey, honey. Hey, stinkers. Hello. Hello, you've seen me like 5 minutes ago.
Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweet little Kiki. Hi, sweet little Kiki. Here's Stormy. I haven't seen much of you yet. Hi. She's like, I don't have time to say hi. I have to play. Here's Tulip. Hi, Mr. Fox. There's Butters. You ran into a stick. Here's Charlie with the piggy. Charlie's got her piggy. Charlie's got her piggy. Hi, cuties. Hi, cuties. This is Kiki and Fox, and that was Butters. Buttercup. Buttercup. Where are you in there? Little Buttercup. You guys are silly today.
Hey, sweeties.
It's a good day to be outside. There goes Stormy.
Come on, Fox. There you go. There's my little man. There's my little man.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hey, handsome.
Hey, sweetheart. What are we all doing? I know, it's so pretty out.
She just noticed.
She just noticed the chickens.
Like, ooh, what is that? Play with the leaf instead. That's a good
Yeah.
idea. Yeah.
You leave the chickens alone, the chickens will leave you alone. Huh. Yes, I know. We're not going to play with the chickies today. No, they're in their own yard. Fox. Oh, got my camera. I'm sorry to everybody watching. Just dropped the camera. Hi. Hello, sweet girl. Hi, Kiki. We are so excited today. Hi. I see you too. Oh my goodnesses. Hi, Charlie. And there's Tulip. Hi. Say hi to your parents. Say hello. Stormy.
What is that? What is that?
Stormy's checking it out. She's like, what the heck is that noise?
What is that?
I don't know if any of you guys are going to be getting used to hearing chickens. Huh? I don't know. I don't think so. Hi. Huh. Thank you. Hi, Storm. There goes Tulip. Stormy, Stormy. Oh, she left me. Charlie right there. Miss Tulip. Oh, we're venturing away a little more. Oh, we're making our first poopy outside. Good job, Buttercup. Hi. How are you two? I know, she's making potty. There's no privacy, I know. Hi. Hi, Tulip. Hi. Hi, Stormy girl.
Here, sweetie. Come on.
She's like, what is over in that part of the yard? That's the chicken yard. You're not allowed in there.
Come here.
Let me see. I'll try to get up and I can follow them a little bit easier. Oh, another poopy in the yard.
Yeah.
Atta girl. Now that the weather wants to actually break, hopefully we can get you guys outside and start learning
Hi, sweetie.
pottying outside.
Kiki.
There's Stormy. Are you guys curious? Those chickens don't care about you. What do you think, Fox? So Stormy's the brave one that thinks about things, huh? Ooh, you changed your mind. She changed her mind. There's Tulip. Hi, guys. Hi. What are you guys doing? Hi. I see you, Charlie. You guys are harder to film this way. Fox, your coloring is getting more and more pretty every day. You guys are eating my shoes. What are you doing to me? What do we do? Oh, you want attention? Yes, that's what Kiki does when she wants attention. She'll bark at you. Huh. She lets me know what she wants. And there's Charlie. Hi, Char. Hello, Charlie girl. Hi. Kiki. It's Sweet Pea. There's Miss Tulip. She's on the run. Oops. Hey, Buttercup. Hi, Buttercup. Hi. What are we doing? Stormy, I didn't think you'd be the brave one to want to try that out one first. She gets close and she's like, maybe not. Those chickies don't care about you guys. They're used to the dogs. Hi. Hi. Hi, cutie. Hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Did I just hear a lawnmower? Yep. Somebody's ahead of us. Huh. There goes Tulip.
Hi, sweetie.
There goes Tulip. Buttercup's gonna fall though. Come on, let's come back this way. What you doing, Fox?
Hi, sweeties. Hello. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Oh my God.
This might be the first moment I have all six in the camera at the same time.
Hi.
Buttercup says, well, I'll change that then.
Where are you going?
We're having fun, huh? We're having so much fun. Handsome. Handsome. give him paw, Buttercup. You give him paw. Hey, Stormy girl. Hi. Hi, Kiki. You guys are so, so cute. Oh my goodnesses. We're adorable.
Charlie. Come here. Good girl.
Charlie's doing her own thing.
Come here.
She's like, this is way fun.
What are you guys doing? You're getting my shoelaces. You getting my
Is that Tulip?
shoelaces? You're getting my shoelaces, little girl.
Tulip.
Oh,
But I didn't think you knew how to be naughty.
You stinker.
Silly babies. Oh, another poopy outside. Good job, Charlie. Yay.
Woohoo.
Poopies outside are the
Wheelies.
best. I get excited about it, you know. What are we doing?
You guys are going to play in the leaves.
Oh, we're having so much fun.
You've been playing in the leaves.
Till those leaves grow on, huh? Yes, I can't wait for the leaves to go. Yeah, I don't love the leaves like they do.
Puffy old leaves.
Everybody's doing really, really good. Fingers crossed the weather keeps improving and we'll have them on their way to being housebroken. Huh?
Where you guys go?
We hope. Say bye.
Another tushy coming.